Sayyidina Jabir bin Abdullah al-Ansari radiyallahu anhu narrated that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if anyone is shown favor, then he should return the favor. And if he has nothing with him which he may reciprocate, then he should say good things about the person who favored him. For who speaks good words about someone has indeed expressed his appreciation. Excuse me, but if he conceals the favor, then he has shown ingratitude to the other person. As for him who describes himself as what he isn't, فَكَأَنَّمَا لَبِسَ ثَوْبَيْ زُورٍ, then he has donned a pair of garments of zur. Okay, zur is lies or falseness. Hadith is very clear. Somebody does a favor, you reciprocate that. Somebody, it's an easy example for us over here in winter. To a certain extent, is like, say, your workplace, right? Or somebody brings for you coffee, brings extra cup of coffee for you. You reciprocate that, and the next day you bring it for them. Or at home, somebody brings something for the whole family. The other person could bring something for the whole family like that. So all very general, right? Your neighbor does they shovel your driveway for you today. You do that tomorrow. You do that the next time there's a blizzard or something. You reciprocate that. If you have nothing with you that you can reciprocate, then the least you can do is mention good things about the person who favored you. You can say that, you know what, this person, they really helped me out. Great neighbor. Probably wouldn't find one in all of Edmonton or all of Red Deer if I actually looked. Might not be the case, but at least you're being appreciative. Now the hadith mentions, فَإِنَّهُ إِذَا أَثْنَى فَقَدْ شَكَرَ. You speak good about somebody, you have expressed shukr to that person, appreciation of that person. And then the explanation is that you say nice things about someone is to praise them behind their back. Okay, behind their back, you tell that person, you speak about that person, awesome, huge help, really good, really thoughtful, caring, helpful. And you let folks know that how he favored you. You're not just praising him, empty praises. Yeah, very helpful, very generous guy. No, genuinely, this man, this happened and I was in a tight spot and he helped me out. Or, I was looking for something and she was able to help me out and she was able to tell me from her experience. She was a friend in need. If there is no doubt about the person being praised getting a bloated ego, then he or she should be praised in their presence. That would be okay. That would be good. Okay. And then to describe oneself with qualities that one isn't actually carrying is hypocritical. That's what that last part of the hadith meant. وَمَنْ تَحَلَّ بِمَا لَمْ يُعْطَ فَكَأَنَّمَا لَبِسَ ثَوْبَيْ الزُّورٍ. So basically somebody who's impersonating something else or acting like, behaving in a way where he isn't actually. So trying to be extra classy or extra, trying to be in a position of wealth when you're not, or impersonating somebody that you're not, then this is labisa thawbay zur. This is you're wrapping yourself up in lies from head to toe. Now this is very general and can be used in various ways, right? You look at those people who they'll rent a limousine for their graduation from high school. This can fall under that, right? You look at people who sometimes they splurge and they go to extreme lengths to maintain or prove some sort of feigned image of luxury or of being, filthily rich. Those things can fall under this condemning. فَكَأَنَّمَا لَبِسَ ثَوْبَيْ الزُّورِ.